How to delete WhatsApp messages. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to delete WhatsApp messages. But before I do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. So open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and then head over to your chats. Find the chat that you'd like to delete and then just long press on it. Once you do that, you'll see the new menu appear at the top and you'll see there's a delete button. So just tap on that button and then it will bring up this next option that says delete this chat. And then you can tick the box that says also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. Once you're happy to go ahead, just tap on delete chat and that chat will be deleted. And that's what it takes to delete WhatsApp messages. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.